Welcome back to equipmentforgarages.com. Here today at Equipment for Garages, we are showing you our AMGO E4G S300 full-height surface-mounted scissor lift. It is suitable for commercial and personal garages. It is a fast-loading lift and favorite with those quick repairs in a busy, compact workshop. The lift has a lifting capacity of 3,000 kilograms and features a compact 24-volt control panel which ensures safe operation at all times. It has twin synchronous hydraulic cylinders on both platforms which maintain even lifting across both lifts. Additionally, the hydraulic cylinders are fitted with hose burst valves to enhance safety by preventing sudden drops. Other key features of this lift is that it's only 115 mm height, an incredible lifting height of 2 meters, coupled with a clear flow access. The clear flow access is great for when you're removing gearboxes or doing clutches using a transmission jack. There are load-bearing flip-lock ramps on the platforms, which gives the lift a platform range of 1,454 mm to 2,032 mm. In operation and when lowering, there is a mandatory low alarm feature at 300 mm. There isn't much not to like about this AMGO lift, making it a smart choice for those seeking to enhance their vehicle maintenance capabilities with reliability and peace of mind from a major manufacturer. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please do not forget to click like, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section and we'll answer them for you. Until the next one, goodbye.